Yamaha has announced the launch of a new wireless sound system focused on users looking to mount a wireless surround audio equipment for home theater but also for stereo music. This is MusicCast Surround, heir and complementary to the previous MusicCast multiroom audio system, and which is now committed to the creation of sets 2.1, 3.1 or 5.1 without data cables, since the electrical ones are still necessary in a simple and fast way, since the software is responsible for calibrating everything automatically. The technology will debut with the launch of 3 new compatible AV receivers, the RX-V485, RX-V585 and RX-V685, the first 5.1 and the other two 7.1, which can be accompanied by several self-powered speakers, the MusicCast 20 and the MusicCast 50, and a wireless subwoofer, the MusicCast Sub 100. The user can buy one of these receivers and one or more of the speakers and subwoofers and mount a stereo or multi-channel installation, placing the speakers as front, rear or even as a central channel. The receiver will be responsible for calibrating them, detecting their position and sound characteristics to adapt them to the set of speakers that we have already installed.